Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a day of reviewing my Nykaa products because these are the items I got for the first time, so I thought why not review them and tell you how my experiences were. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel to become a part of the Potato Fam. Also, there's a backstory behind this which I will probably tell in another video. So, if you want to know the reviews, everything about what I'm talking about these products. By the way, the products are the Master Strobe and Globe Glamorized pencils. So these are the things I newly ordered, and I thought, okay, let me review it because this is the first time even I'm using it. So if you want to see how the reviews went, please keep on watching the video. So I'm going to review this Strobe and Globe liquid highlighter. The main reason I got this highlighter was to mix it in my foundation and wear it because everyone says it has a nice glow, but you never know. Anyway, so I'm taking a little of this in the back of my hand to probably this much, and then my foundation. So I'm going to mix these two up. Let's see the proportion. I think it needs a little more of the liquid highlighter, so I'll add a little, 2 more drops probably, maybe 3. Let's see. Okay, now it looks a bit shiny. I don't think you can see it, but I'm gonna start applying it on my face, and when we blend it we'll know. I think I've taken a little too much of foundation. There's nothing, no product. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and just blend it. But as you all can see, it has a nice finish to the skin. You can see a little glow because this is a matte foundation, the one I'm using, and there is no glow. So right now there is plenty of sheer highlighter just popping through. Maybe I'll add a little bit on the cheekbones and just blend it. Just for the sake of it. This side. Little here. Just the excess in the hand. Here. Here. And now just blend it beautifully with a beauty blender. I'm sure everyone can see that. This is the kind of thing we need. Also, there's nothing written on it, like how long lasting it is, and also maybe it's written behind the bottle. So yeah, that's it, nothing else actually. So I'll do the rest of my makeup so that I can review the Nykaa's Glamour Eyes, both of them. I'll put each in one eye and I'll let you know. Also, I've heard many bad things about this highlighter when I saw it on Nykaa. I just saw a person comment saying it's only full of glitter, like only like the thick glitter pieces, but I don't think, like, I have my mirror right here and it just seeps into the skin, man. I mean, it's just beautiful. It does not have any bad these things, according to me at least. But I might do a wear test also and let you guys know if it is actually that durable for that long, because maybe if you wear it only as a highlighter and not mix it with your foundation, it might seem a bit too sparkly. So I'll, after applying all this, I'll probably put it only as a plain highlighter and let's see what happens. Meantime, I'm gonna keep blending. Now that I've concealed my under eyes, let's move on to the Glamour Eyes review. So in this is the Glamour Eyes pencil. It is in the shade Moonchild. So it comes in a pencil, so we need a separate sharpener for this because it's this kind of a lid. So yeah, I'll just swatch it for you guys pehle. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful, honestly. I wore it the other day, so I thought, okay, why not review it? So I think it's an eye pencil. Maybe you should put it, you can put it maybe on your waterline. No, I don't think you can put it on your waterline, but I'll put it as an eyeliner. Let's see what happens. So I'm just going to pull my eyes as usual and then just draw on top. Oh my god, like one stroke gives so much of payoff. It's unbelievable. Oh, I'm just loving this, dude. It looks so pretty. I mean, with just one stroke you get so much of payoff. I'm sure you can see it. Oh my god, you can totally wear this to like a party or anything. This looks beautiful. Like one stroke payoff is what you all need. So moving on to the next, we have the Glamour Eyes liquid liner in the shade Dragon's Heart. Let's put this. So yeah, this is the Dragon's Heart. Let's see. Okay, in this I am not liking the applicator that much because it seems stiff and then it has a bunch on the end. I don't know if you can see it. Come on, camera, focus. But anyway, as far as you can see, I'm sure you can see this little bunch here, which is signs that the applicator is not going to work for us, but let's just try. So I'm going to put a liner on this. The color is beautiful, as mentioned. I think it's not like a one slide payoff because you need to put like 2-3 strokes more for it to look visible. Damn, I like this. Gives a more natural look. Always brown gives a more natural look and I just love it. I should have opted for a little more of a darker brown, but who cares? I love this. So yeah, this is how it looks. The liner, both the eyes. I would love this, but the only thing bothering me is the applicator. Maybe this is a defect piece, not, you can't say defect piece, but this is the only liner which has a nip like this, but I hope others don't. So yeah, I would totally recommend both of the eyeliners. Coming back to the highlighter and applying the highlighter on our high points of the face. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Probably one of my eyebrows. So just, can you see it? Yeah. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Okay, I'm not gonna scream yet, but yeah, let's see. Okay. Oh my god. Shit. Calm down, Shreya. Calm down. Breathe. Okay, going on to this side. I put a little too big blobs. So I'm just gonna leave it as 2. I'm gonna keep this excess for my eyebrows. I think this itself is too much. I'm just gonna put on my nose also. gonna blend it. I'm loving this, man. Like, literally. I've never seen a highlighter this strong. Like, you need like less than one whole dot. Just, can you look at that payoff? I mean, it's beautiful. But yeah, if you have a close look as only a highlighter, I'm just gonna look. It isn't actually. I mean, for me, the review the girl gave, I don't know the girl's name exactly, but I don't think, like, if you even see it in a mirror and close up, I don't think the highlighter has like a very sparkly this thing, because like intense glitter, because it just glides on smoothly. I don't have a problem with it. Like, it's not giving me a problem yet, because the payoff is just so beautiful. You can see it. I mean, my forehead is still glowing, my nose, it's bang on, dude. Like, I can't say anything. So my face looked pale, so I just added on some lipstick. So the conclusion comes to, would I suggest that you guys buy the Nykaa Strobe and Globe? Definitely. If you are a person who loves blinding people with their highlighter, this is it. I'm sorry, Maybelline, but this is the god. Like, I'm sure Maybelline Master Chrome, you cannot mix it with your foundation, but this is like beautiful, man. Like, you can see the glow on my face. I mean, it's just one dot I put, and then I'm just gonna sip my mouth. You can see it all on my face. The next one, would I suggest you buy the Glamorize liner? Definitely. May not be a definite, but it depends. Like, the color is nice, the payoff is okay. You need to keep applying it 2 or 3 times, but if you have like the tip of the liner like mine, please do complain to them, because I'm sure it's difficult to put a wing liner with a tip like this. So yeah, the next comes the pencil. Would I recommend? Definitely I would. There are like, I think 12 shades out of all these, which I picked Moonchild because I wanted something more fun. So I mean, I'm sure, I mean, it's also written that it is smudge proof. Yeah, it is smudge proof, so let's check that out. I'm literally rubbing my eyes and it isn't smudging, so there you go, you have your answer. So yeah, I would recommend you guys to buy these products. Definitely buy them. I'm just gonna take that later. It's not my liner, so I would recommend all of you to buy these products. Not an option. I mean, it is an option, but it's not like compulsory. You have to buy it because I'm telling you to. It's just a review video, so it's up to you. If you want me to do more review videos like this on my first impressions, please do let me down in the comment sections, or you can even DM me on my social media. The links will be down in the description box. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very informative and helpful for you to buy more makeup products. Please do share, subscribe and like my channel. Bye guys. Love you all.